Okay, welcome once again to my tech channel, Tech World. So in this video, we're going to talk about how we can use calculator in our Android mobile phone. How we can open simple calculator and scientific calculator in our Infinix Note 11 Pro mobile phone. Before going to start the video, if you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel first and press the bell icon must in order to receive the notification for each and new uploads, new videos, new contents from our side in the notification bar of your mobile phone screen. Right? And if you have any problem, any question, any confusion related to any video, don't worry, just ask in comment. We will try to make a video about it in order to solve the issue for you as soon as possible. Or we will simply try to answer to your comment, respond to your comment, or reply to your comment so that your issue may be solved as soon as possible. So now let's start the video without wasting the time. So in this video, I will show you that how we can open calculator in two ways and how we can use simple and scientific calculator. So first of all, you have to search in your main home page of your mobile phone screen the calculator. As you can see here, the last application in the second column is calculator. And the very second option in the last row is calculator. So just click on the calculator app. Once you click on the calculator app, so here you can see simple calculator is now opened here. If you want to add, multiply, subtract or divide something, you can use simple calculator here. Right? Let's say for example we're going to add two numbers. We have 5 plus 9. So we'll press equal sign, that is 14. If you want to subtract two number, let's say for example 16 minus 10, it will answer is 6 equal. And if you want to multiply two digits, like say for example 23 multiplied by 6, so the answer is 138. If you want to divide something, for example let's say 40 divided by 5, the answer is 8. If you want to clear your screen here, just write something. Let's say for example I'm going to clear this screen, just click on C. When you click on C, so your calculator will be removed. Daragam! And your calculator will be removed. So this is how we can use calculator in our Android mobile phone. You can add, you can subtract, you can multiply, you can divide two numbers using simple calculator in your Android mobile phone. So thank you for watching. Stay connected with us. See you next video for more interesting videos.